In this video, we will see how to make silver colloidal water through this Parasite cleaning zapper machine. So we will take these two silver rods, pure silver rods, and we will connect one rod here and the second here, and then we will take fresh clean water and we will put these rods like this here. And after putting these rods here, we will connect this adapter into this socket and the adapter here. We will switch on the machine. See, the Indian Zapper machine is ready to use. We will click on this mode button. Now the silver mode is on. Silver mode. After selecting the silver mode, we will click on the start button. The machine is on right now and it will work on two timers. First one is 10 minutes and second one is 20 minutes. You can choose timer according to your requirements, and now the machine is ready to use. See, the process of making silver colloidal water is ready. Now you can see the process here and you can see the change of color in water. So the silver water is getting ready, and now when the timer of 10 minutes is over, you can see the change of color in water and the solution is ready to consume. So this was all about silver colloidal machine. Take out here.